If you've been broke, I want you to read this post out loud and watch what happens. I'm not here to shame you. I'm not here to tell you to hustle harder. I'm simply here to tell you the truth. You were never meant to stay here. This version of you, frustrated, burnt out, secretly wondering if you've missed your chance. Honestly, you are not cursed, you are not forgotten, and you are not behind. And before we go any further, I want you to pause and read this out loud. And I mean out loud. I am not my bank account. I am not my past decisions. I am not the struggle I'm working through. I am a child of God. I am the head and not the tail. I was not made to borrow forever. I was born to lend. I may feel broke today, but I carry abundance in my hands, in my mind, and in my spirit. God is not done with me yet, neither am I. The same God who fed 5,000 with 5 loaves is more than able to multiply my gifts. This is not the end. This is just a shift. Now, let me tell you something that changed everything for me. Sometimes God allows you to hit empty so you stop trying to fill yourself. It's in the broke season where he strips the noise, the ego, the fake plans that he shows you who you really are. If you're in the middle of a financial wilderness, I want you to remember this. God shall supply all your needs according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus. And that is Philippians 4:19. He didn't say your riches, he said his, which means that your current income has absolutely nothing to do with your future inheritance. This isn't about how much money you make. This is about how much belief you've buried under doubt. And now it's time to dig it back up. Faith doesn't just sit down. It moves. It builds, even when the bricks feels too expensive. So, if you've been praying for money but ignoring the gift in your hands, you are not broke, you are just distracted. And if you can write, go ahead and create a caption pack and sell it. You are good at organizing, offer cleanup to someone's Notion dashboard. If you love helping people, then go ahead to package that love into a service. Don't wait for the perfect timing. Move in obedience. God didn't say the blessings comes before the step. He said, faith without work is dead. That is James 2:17. You might be broke in your bank account, but you are not broke in your calling. Even when Jesus went through the wilderness, before he stepped into ministry, Joseph was thrown into the pit before the palace. Ruth lost everything before she was positioned for legacy. So if you are in a pit right now, maybe it's not punishment. Maybe it's just preparation. You are not being buried. You are being planted. And what God plants, he waters, he nurtures, and he uses. So say this again and let your spirit agree with it. I may feel broke, but I am blessed. I may feel lost, but I am led. I may feel like I'm in a valley, but God is with me. I carry value, I carry vision, and I will not die in this version of me. If this hits your heart, go ahead to drop I am becoming in the comments. This isn't the kind of video you just watch once. This is one that you'll save and come back to. And if you're ready to take action on the gift God has given you, just take little steps at a time. Go ahead to launch that first offer, write your first digital product, and make sure you put it in a place where people can find it. And if you're interested in more content, then go ahead to tap the subscribe button, give this video a like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.